Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome to another trade recap of the day. I'll be recapping Thursday. This is Thursday. I didn't have a good trading day because to begin with, I um I just had 500 to pass. I didn't want. I guess it was self sabotage. I don't know. I didn't trade well today. So let's go over it. So going to the day at market opening, we already started making a high. Okay, for our for our rejected this gap, so we're bullish, and we are forming a forest USD. If we are bullish, we had yeah, so we had equal highs here. These were equal highs, and we had previous highs. So generated liquidity. We came down, market open. The only place left to manipulate is lower. We came down, put a market open SMT, and we started displacing higher. We formed a 1 minute CISD. Okay, this would be my ideal trade of the day, just a 1:1. This is proof at this point that we're going for previous day high no matter what, and stop loss here. Because we created this 9:30 a.m. SMT. I'll show you the trades I took. So we created the 9:30 a.m. SMT. Now we have generated equal highs here, generated liquidity. So so we got the 1 minute CIST. Cool. This is also a really good trade. This is a trade I ended up taking but got break even because I didn't accept the didn't accept the risk put on the table. This was a failure swing. 9:30 m SMT put in, pushed higher. We have an SMT at this high. Then we're going to get a push down. Failed displacement IVG. This is what I took. Got break even. I then entered again here. I closed out here for a win, and then I had $100 left to pass. This is the trade of the day, by the way, because SMT 1 minute CISD. This is last resort shorts of this range. If this range is gonna hold, last resort short, boom. We displaced. We formed a 1 minute CISD to the downside. So if we get above this candle right here, this red candle, then we're longing. It's failed bearish displacement. So boom, this is the trade. I took this trade, then I took this trade, then I scalped like on a 1 minute, and this is where I started getting tilt, where like my stop loss was like here, and I entered here, expecting us to go run this, but it didn't happen. It wicked me out. It's not a good stop loss placement, so horrible stop loss placement. And yeah, then I went heavy size on this. It was a V-shape IFVG with a TP of equal highs. Got smoked, and because this got smoked, I'm like, okay, bet we're looking for shorts. There's a 15-minute unfilled here. The reason why I didn't like it was because we generated liquidity with a 15-minute unfilled, and but also on the contrary we had equalize here. But I thought to myself, if this fails, then it's an amazing short to the 15-minute unfilled gap, which it was. So the right trade would be this with the catalyst, and stop loss here, and TP I think there, I guess. It's yeah, I mean TP there, I guess, or like just based on the IFVG. Yeah, I guess this would be the ideal trade of the day. I took this trade too, but then I end up closing. I literally bottom ticked this, and I end up closing it right at the top. This happened to me so many times when I don't have a protected stop loss. But the reason why I like this trade is because this bullish leg should have continued higher. So if it fails, then we have an amazing draw on liquidity. But yeah, I took hella trades, but the trade of the day is this for sure. Go for 1:1, catch a piece of the pie, get the fuck off. 10 points. That's with 2 contracts. It's $1,000. Sorted, and enjoy the rest of your fucking day. So yeah. Yeah, that's it.